Hi there. I'm Shane Larson from Grizzly Peak Software, and today I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to use the DigitalOcean App Platform MCP server that you can get from DigitalOcean. It's a secure MCP server, and I've used it a few times to deploy some apps, so I just wanted to show that here. I have an application that I redesigned, so what I want to do is deploy it on its own staging environment on DigitalOcean so I could look at it live. And then once I'm done, I'm going to move the DNS from the old app to the new app. Right. So what I'm asking Claude to do, Claude Desktop, which is just connected to the MCP server already, it's already configured, is to deploy my Next.js application to the DigitalOcean App Platform using the MCP server. Here's the repo. And it points out for me that I already am connected to GitHub from DigitalOcean. Claude doesn't need to know the repo contents if you define the requirements correctly. Otherwise, it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. So I tell it what branch, what region in the data centers to put it in. I'm putting it in San Francisco 1. I want the basic $5 a month instance. I'm using Next.js 16.1.6, Node.js version 20. I provided the build and run commands and the port. And then I explain the rest of the details, such as I'll do the security setup myself. All right, so I should be able to fire that off. And it should be intelligent to read this and understand, okay, I don't need to read the repo, but we'll see. Maybe it'll try to read the repo. Nope, it's using the MCP server right away, so that's great. And that's what matters. Like, if you didn't provide all the information, it probably wouldn't be able to do it, and then it would have to ask you clarifying questions. So what I did is I just had my coding agent that I worked on this project with deploy or give me a prompt, and that helped me a lot. So here you can see it's created the app from my specification. And it has a name, it's in the region, it's got this instance, here's the deployment ID, it's pending a build, here's the commit, it's set to auto deploy whenever the master branch is updated, and then it's saying basically it's going through the process of deployment. Now I'm going to go set up the environment variables, and we can check to see if it's done, or actually in the meantime we could just say provide me with status of this deployment. It's probably going to say it failed because of the environment variables. I'll be right back. Okay, I went and updated the environment variables, and as of the last status it indicated that it's currently building. But what I had seen was that it had failed when I logged in over there, and that makes sense. So now we're going to just ask it, I updated the vars. Can you please check status? Okay. And if it's working, it should give me the URL that I could just hit and hopefully get status of what's going on. Great, a new deployment has been triggered, so it's still building. So I don't know if you could see my screen because my application for recording is kind of confusing. So I'm hoping you're seeing my browser screen where it shows that it's still pushing a deployment. So I'm going to pause it for a bit and we'll give it a little while to deploy. Okay, it looks like it's live. So what I want to do is ask Claude now. How about now? But as you can see, the MCP server has been great. It was really easy. All I did was ask it the original prompt, which was only a paragraph of information. And it went and created the application on the DigitalOcean App Platform, gave me all the information, and gave me status about the build. Without having it to actually set up any integrations, any build pipelines, anything like that. It's really a game changer for DevOps. And so now it's ran again, and it says that it's deployed, but your app is showing as unhealthy. And let's see what's going on. It deployed, but it's not responding on port 3000. Next.js app is crashing on startup, missing incorrect environment variables causing runtime errors and database connection issues. So it seems like the environment variable situation is not fully working. So I'm going to go ahead and pause and see if I can troubleshoot. Now, that's one of the problems, I guess, with MCP is you can't always do everything. So one thing I guess I could do is just say, hey, I added environment variables on the web app inside the platform, and the deployment was good. Can you tell me what's wrong? Or try to fix it? Troubleshoot? So here's a good one. Is it smart enough to help me fix it from the chat? We'll see. I need to pause for a second. Oh, wait. I'll help you troubleshoot. It's going into the logs. We're going to allow it. Missing port environment variable. Okay. So I could just add the runtime variable. Can you add? Let's just see. Can you just please add the runtime environment variable for the port? I think that's probably, it's just like defaulting. I'm going to go run over there and check it. There's no port in the environment variables. So see here, you can actually see it's adding the port now. Okay, now it's going to do another build. I'm going to pause it for a bit while it builds, and I'll come back in a moment. All right, so it has been updated, and now I'm going to check status. I didn't even type status correctly, but let's see if it gives me something that I can use here. With any luck, the app should be running now. Success, your app is now healthy and running. The build was super fast because it reused the previous build. The app is live. Add this link. I'll click on the link and go to the application, and it is there. I can go to the MCP servers and see that they're there. Use cases, there. Services, patterns, log. Oh, okay, excellent. I think that this tool is amazing. I have already used it several times for various things with DigitalOcean. It makes things so easy. In all honesty, I probably didn't have to do anything too much other than move my environment variables over to DigitalOcean. I think that you could probably trust this because it is a secure connection between Claude and DigitalOcean, but you know, if you want to make sure you have better security, you should just keep anybody else out of the loop, and you would probably just skip Claude in that case and go directly to DigitalOcean to update your secrets in the platform. Even better, use a secret store and have it use references to the secret store, which is probably a better option anyway. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, or check me out at grizzlypeaksoftware.com, cortexagent.com, shanelarson.com, autodetective.ai, or voting.ai. Thanks. Take care. Bye.